What's up YouTube, Seth here from How To Knots for another knot tutorial in our Ashley's Book of Knots series. Today we're going over Abok 60, the double ring hitch, so let's get into the tutorial and let's figure out how to tie this knot. This knot is great for going around an anchor point when you have both ends of your line, okay? So your line's already more secure. And then you just need to fix it to this anchor point, right? I don't need the working ends, I want the working ends on the other side. I want to fix it around this anchor point instead of just doing this, say, around a tree or something where it can slide. I want it to be fixed, I don't want it to slide, and I want it to not move. This could also be another line. This knot is good for that. If there's another rope through, we can imagine this as a rope, a tree, whatever you want, okay? I'll show you how to tie it. We're going to take our bitten rope here, and we're going to cross it over here, okay? So like this. Now, what I want to do is I want to make a ring hitch just right here, just not around this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rope here and I'm going to push it here, okay? And I'm going to pinch that. So this, I guess, is a ring hitch if you slide an item underneath here. But then if you look, this isn't fixed anywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these rings and just flip them down the other way, okay? Put my finger through that, and now you see they're on the other side here, and it's trapped. So I can put it here, and this is trapped here. So I'll show you that one more time. So we're around our anchor point, then we're going to bend here, pinch, flip the rings down, put our hands through, okay. And then the rest is simple. I'm going to take my line, and I'm going to feed it through this hole, okay. And there it is. So now you can see there's a ring hitch around my line, and then my anchor point's in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull on this here, tighten it up. There's my ring hitch around my line. There it goes, okay, and tighten. Now, it can slide, but when I pull, it doesn't want to slide as much, okay? But if I just had it wrapped around, it would like to slide. So that's it. That is the double ring hitch. Abok 60. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe, show us some love, hit the like button, comment, all that good stuff. Helps us out. In our bio, description of the video, we have a link to the Ashley's Book of Knots so you can check out, follow us on this journey throughout the Ashley Book of Knots. We're going to try and tie them all, so stick with us. The book is about $100, but it's a really good book. Be on the shelves forever. We have an affiliate link for it. All commissions go to supporting our channel, helping us make videos for you guys. See you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching How To Knots.